Hey folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Monday, July 16. The World Cup is over. We welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at Smile Jam TVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. So congrats to France, to Delia, who I told her, they are poor losers, I have poor winners too. She's a poor winner. Big tune.
I don't know what happened tomorrow. I don't really feel like
Sorry,
much.
Phil.
You can't work for me tomorrow?
Sorry, Phil. Big tune. No, put up the tune, man. Argentina didn't World Cup at all. I was must them play.
I still have my hair though.
Yeah, true.
So.
That's true. No, you see the next bet. Somebody sent a message and said, what if you did win? What Simone would lose? Nothing.
We didn't bet anything.
But that's not
for
fair,
Simone
though.
to lose.
No, a bet is that I can win, I can lose, and you can win, you can lose.
We didn't bet anything, so next time we bet something.
No, we have to. Next time we'll bet.
So then say that then. Why you coming at me about what we never bet, what we never do? Then back in the time if you bet something, them time there. Maybe no problem.
Are you that shave your head?
No. I'd have to find what my bet would be. Wouldn't be that.
What is it?
I don't want to know what Coulson said.
No, Coulson.
Because he's just disgusting.
Why them letting Coulson in that place?
I ask that every day.
In our first place.
Sicko. Anywho, yes, we can bet next time. I will bet something.
Coulson is an after hours person. Coulson is 12 o'clock midnight show. Everybody has sleep.
Thinking 2 o'clock in the morning, actually.
Yeah, next time we have to have a real bet.
I have no problem with that. This was a real bet too.
It was not a real bet.
It was a real bet. Did you say to me, okay, I want you to bet something too, for me to say no?
Here the problem I have. We are friends, and I think friends should treat each other like friends. So if I lose, I won't share of my, you will say, okay, Nefril, if you don't lose, then I would something.
No, that's not how it works.
You're not a friend then?
No, yes, of course. That's what I'm saying. Next time, if you want to bet something, Simone does something, then I will bet something. So I'll see you again in 4 years, bro.
All right, what's up this morning?
All right, here's what's happening on the show. On the agenda this morning, swimming, safety tips for the entire family. It is summer, so folks will be looking to swim. So we have some tips for you if you plan to. Also,
creative ways in which you can use sea stones.
Okay, plus we're exploring the different ways to prepare tofu.
And we also recap the World Cup Russia 2018.
Lord Ministry dancers will be taking the stage.
But folks, before we get into all that, let's get into some hot topics from an exciting show. All right, so there's another fire that's going on at the dump in Montego Bay. Well, up to last night it was, I was watching our news and it says the NSWMA, so?
NSWMA. NS, National Solid Waste Management.
They said they would have it under control by this morning. Apparently they said it was arson. I was listening to the gentleman and he says it was deliberately started by folks who actually live on the landfill there, which doesn't make much sense to me. But and the jet is not too impressed with what's going on, as they should not be impressed. He says dump fires are a major and significant source of air pollution and are a public health hazard for those living in close proximity to these sites. They go on to say dump fires are especially dangerous as they can emit dangerous fumes from the combustion of the wide range of materials contained within the dump. Carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, volatile organics, dioxins and furans. Never heard of a furan, whatever that is. So they're demanding action, urgent action from the government and the relevant agencies to address what it deems an urgent public health issue created by the regularity of fires at disposal sites.
It's really just a call for proper, effective and efficient solid waste management, which we've been asking for years. I don't think it's an unreasonable ask. And this has been a problem for a long time, the issue of these landfills. So I think we just need decisive action so that people can stop being at risk every time somebody chooses to light a fire there, or something happens that causes some kind of spontaneous combustion and a fire results.
Okay. What's the next one?
What is this now? St. Elizabeth. Folks are about to get a reprieve. Apparently, after enforcing a ban on entertainment activities in some communities in St. Elizabeth, because of the violence that was happening there, the police are now relaxing the restriction in some of the areas. Bans have been lifted, or the ban has been lifted for the communities of Vineyard, Whitehall, and Middle Quarters. This is Soup now, Superintendent of Police, Anan Cardosa, said that while the ban for Middle Quarters was lifted, the police would not approve any event for the square of Middle Quarters due to the potential for causing traffic congestion. He's in the meantime urging promoters to be truthful about the information they supply when they apply for permits, or else they could see their events being terminated or the permits refused if false information is detected. So St. Elizabeth about to get a reprieve. I guess some people will be happy about that. Some people might think, should have held it off a little longer. Is it going to mean preventing crime? But I guess they monitor and see what happens and whether they need to put it back or they can free up some more.
Let's hope it will continue to get better.
French
frenzy. This young man, 19 years old, his name is Kylian Mbappé.
I don't think he's a human being.
He's the
He's
the first teenager to score at the World Cup since Pelé back in 1958. Pelé was 17 at the time. He's 19 years old. Plays at Paris Saint-Germain and for France.
The man run like him have just battery,
fast
straight
like
battery in him
lightning.
back. What is it?
Fast
He's going to be a
lightning.
legend of
But
no order.
some people are very, very happy that France won. Watch this.
Hi everybody. Let me tell you something. From morning people, I send me a message and ask me, Dila, you alright? Is everything okay? Look here. I cozy upon my World Cup pillow. I saw we're going to the finals nice and breezy. I'm telling you, so when World Cup start, I spot my General Zidane upon him yacht. I enjoy himself in Ibiza. I'm say, Zidane, take it easy, so. Him no work about World Cup. My General knows that the trophy not come a yard. Him never fret about it, so me never fret about it neither. I say when World Cup start, I set on my blue wig. Nobody shed out, and nobody stress out, because we have to go put your back on when July middle month come and my team I collect them trophy and I saw my wig stand up or Suffrag stand up. Oh gosh, I want to thank all the teams who participated in the World Cup, because without you we couldn't be where we are today. I want to thank Croatia because it was a good finals, and the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. Mr. Macron, please my mama visa exemption. Me say that hug up, sir, don't forget me. France, you make me proud, France. Down in my belly button, me love you know. This is for all the people who from morning have them finger set so for go type on my social media to tell me a bay. And right now the finger hook up like Chick V catch it, cause them don't know what to tell me. My team win. There's a reason the Champagne region is from France, because of it we're gonna be in a now celebration. Viva la Blues!
And again, I remember that caller that told us from very, very early call and says either a first timer or a team that has only won it once would win. So congrats to France and to the French supporters. And not congratulating Delia, because they are poor losers. They are poor losers and poor winners. You're a poor winner.
Congrats, my girl. I didn't know France was going to win, I did feel it with you. I have to work with her tomorrow. How don't you understand? She's going to pop pure style for me, man, and we can't manage. I'm not feeling so well. You want to work on it?
Me? Those are me words. You lose my head.
Jesus, Father.
Oh, which birthday already? What happened to me? Me don't understand.
Go on there now.
Me don't understand. First, I want to say good morning to Onelia. I met Onelia about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I said I'd say hi to her on TV, and I didn't. So, Onelia, I'm sorry I took so long, and I saw your mom yesterday, and she reminded me, they call her mom movie star. So to Odelia and Movie Star, I hope you both are watching. They're from over in Vineyard Town. And I also have to say good morning to Lloyd Taylor, who owns the Rubis station at Gore Terrace up on what's that, Council Spring Road? Yep, so I go there every now and again, and I promise them I'll say hi too. And happy birthday to Shanna Williams Miller, who is a teacher at St. George's College. Mrs. Williams Miller, I hope you have a brilliant day today. The man who I call Fortis reminded me to say happy birthday, so I suspect he wants to say happy birthday also. They're in the same room at St. George's College.
I see.
Yeah, so I call him Fortis because I used to go Casey, but him teach over George's. So good morning and happy birthday.
It's an interesting situation to be in.
Shanna Williams Miller. All right, you got snun?
No, but I want to send condolences.